How to use room in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now here, you'll be able to find different options and settings. Here, there's a section called room. Simply tap on room. Now, what does room mean? Basically, this is a way of exploring yourself by which you can give your location to others and you can easily roam people around you. Now here, simply tap on the location that you're in, and after you do that, other people will be able to view in which location you are in, and later you can even figure out other people places and later link with them and even check out with them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.